Hey guys, Soul Closet here, back making another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to record the screen of your Samsung smartphone on your Windows computer. I think it works on Macs as well, but this tutorial is going to be using Windows 10. It should work with any relatively modern Windows PC. That said, the requirements for your phone, you have to have a Samsung phone that is at least as new as the Galaxy S6 for optimal performance. So I've got an S7. The Note 5 would work. Any of like the Galaxy J6 or 7 phones would work. Maybe even the Galaxy A7. As well as, I think there's this phone called like the Core Prime or something like that came out since the 6 did. But just any phone that came out at least as recently as the Galaxy S6 that was made by Samsung should work with this, as well as the newest Samsung tablets. I'm going to be using a Galaxy S7 from T-Mobile for this demonstration, but yeah, that's what you need to have. If you don't have those, this won't work out for you. So let's move on. What you're going to want to do is open up your browser and go to samsung.com/us/SideSync. SideSync is the name of Samsung software that lets you connect your, apparently, PC or Mac to your Samsung smartphone and lets you control the screen from the computer or control the screen on the phone and cast it to the computer, as well as get all of your notifications like text messages on your computer itself. It also lets you pass through your mouse and keyboard to the phone screen in almost exactly real time. But for the purposes of this, I'm going to be showing you how to record mobile games on your computer while playing them on your phone. This will work for any app, but I'm going to be using Groove Coaster 2 as an example because that's what I've used in the past. So you're going to want to click download for whichever platform you want. For me, I'm going to be using PC. Save file. And it shouldn't take too long to download. It's only 46 megabytes. Once it's done, we're going to install the program. And I'll get right back to you as soon as it's done installing. Alright, so as you can see, the install process just completed. Once you're done installing the program, you can close your internet browser. We won't be needing anything but the SideSync software for the rest of this tutorial. Just as a side note, while you're installing the software, you don't want to have your device plugged in to your computer. You can use SideSync without any USB cables plugged from the computer to the phone. However, it's a lot more reliable and a lot less laggy if you connect it by USB. So don't do that before installing SideSync on your computer. Do it afterward. So with that in mind, we're going to check the Run SideSync box there and click Finish, and it should open up the software. Yep. So now it opens this little rectangle in the corner. You click Start. And then what you want to do is you want to plug your phone in at this point after clicking Start. So I just plugged my Galaxy S7 into my computer. And at this point, it will try to open the Samsung SideSync app on your phone. If you do not have the SideSync app on your phone, it won't work. You have to get it from the Play Store. It's free, really small, really quick. Go get the SideSync app. After that, it's going to show you this thing that says confirm the passkey within the next 30 seconds. You just have to click OK on your phone, and then click Allow, and then click OK on the computer. And once you've done that, it's going to say connecting to your device via the cable. Ooh, okay, let me try again. Maybe I didn't do it within the 30 seconds. But yeah, when it asks you, there we go. When it asks you to confirm the passkey, you have to click OK on the phone and on the computer within relatively, within a few seconds of each other. So after that, if this is the first time you've plugged your Galaxy S7 into, or not necessarily S7, but if this is the first time you've plugged your Samsung Galaxy device into your computer using Samsung software, it's going to have the installing driver stuff here. We can ignore that for now. I'm just going to drag it over here to my other monitor so you can't see it. So now we're left with this. Your phone will have a notification saying that it's connected to SideSync, and your computer will be able to tell you things about your phone, like if you click on Gallery, it'll take control of your phone, and you'll see that it'll open up the Gallery app on your phone in this window. This window is the key to our success. this is the phone's screen. You can see if I click home here, I'm now just navigating my phone. And I'm not going to go through too much so I don't accidentally show you any personal information. But you don't have to do anything on your phone just yet. What we want to do is at the top of the SideSync window, sorry about that, at the top of the SideSync window, you want to click the Maximize button, and it'll show you all of this. Now what you want to do is over on the right side, you want to click Enable Presentation Mode, and you'll see that whereas your phone's screen had gone black before you clicked that, now the phone's screen should light up. And right now, I am not using my mouse at all. I'm swiping around on my phone. If I go to type something, you will see that the keyboard is actually going to be the default Samsung keyboard instead of one you might have installed. That's just a side effect of SideSync running. But you'll also see that you can tap on a text field with your phone and type in it from your computer. Okay, I tried to write hello, but I messed up. But that's what it looks like. In any case, what this lets you do then is it lets you do anything that you want on your phone and record it from your computer. If you're unsure about how to record games or record things from your computer, you can view my other tutorial on my channel about how to use OBS Studio. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but I am going to show you a little bit of a demonstration. So I'll be right back. So with that out of the way, you can see that it works pretty darn well. The only issue is that if you're playing a game like Groove Coaster that actually is dependent on the timing of the sound, like the music, there is a little bit of delay if you listen to it through your computer, and if you listen to it with headphones from your phone, it won't go to the computer. So it really depends on your needs, but this is the only case in which it's actually a little bit annoying to capture it this way. However, it doesn't put any lag or stress on your phone, and the nice thing is you don't have to keep all these large recording files on your phone if you want to record for a long amount of time. The other advantage is you can actually live stream this if you wanted to use something like YouTube or Twitch. No matter what your usage is, I'd like to hear from you guys down in the comments about how well this worked for you, and if you've got any questions, I'm sure I or other people down there can answer them for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, not quite like this, but more tutorials and gaming things and maybe even some videos of Android games in the future, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel? There's a lot to see. I'll see you guys next time, so I'll close it out.